Welcome to week 22. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. This week we are going to be putting all of our skills that we have learned in PowerPoint together. The first thing that you will be doing is you're going to find all of your info. Right here is where you're doing before you begin. So it is set up the way it's always been, so you're here in before you begin. You are watching this video right here. Here is your checklist. Remember, the checklist is solely for you. You do not need to turn it into me. It is just to help keep you on track. So it is set up the same way. On Monday at 11, I will do this intro live. Then we have 3 assignments. And then Wednesday we'll do a voluntary. It's all, everything's voluntary. It's just, we'll do office hours and, we'll play a game or do something tech related. This week is vocabulary. Last week was typing. Every other week we swap. So this week it is vocabulary. So here are the vocabulary words that you're going to be learning. Some we have learned, some we're learning, some we'll learn next week, but it'll give you a good basis. Assignment 1, we need you to to go back to your photo album that you have applied your designer and your animations to. So it is Q3A4 that you'll open, and you will then add transitions. Transitions is in between slides, and animations are on a slide. So you already have something happening on the slide. You should have 2 per slide. Now you'll have a transition when you go from one slide to another. And in the video, I show you how and where to find that. You'll save it as a Q3A6. Assignment 2 is you are going to take all of the skills that you have learned and you're going to create a PowerPoint about an influential Black scientist. So what you will have to do is it's going to be a 5-slide PowerPoint. You're going to choose one person. There's about, I don't know, probably 12 to 15 people you can choose from. There is a reading that I gave you, and then you are going to create a 5-slide layout, a 5-slide PowerPoint. The first slide will be a cover slide. Then you will answer 4 questions based on the reading of whoever you chose. Each slide must have the designer, 2 animations, at least 1 picture, and a transition in between the slides. So we are going to take all of the things that we have learned and we are going to apply it to a project which goes along with Black History Month, which starts on February 1st. You'll save that as Q3A7, and then the third one will be, there are 2 sites to practice your vocabulary. One is matching and flashcards, and the other one is Battleship. Once you're done, you'll take a quiz. You can only take the quiz 1 time. It is a quiz. So study before you take it, so I don't get any emails or messages saying, oh, I didn't do well, can I redo it? If we were in class, you get to study for it and take it once. And that is what you will be doing this week. Remember, you can always go here to the Q3 assignment list so that you can keep track of what we're doing. So A6 is the animations and A7 is the animations and transitions for Black History. If you have any problems or questions, please message me. Join us on Monday at 11 and I can answer questions live. And if not, have a great week and I hope to see you soon.